Greetings, everyone. This is Ty, and I'm back to give another video. Now, what I want to talk about in this video is a topic that is important that seems to go by the wayside. And it's pretty common with individuals who start their own businesses. And that topic is you don't want to forget about your accounting. Now, accounting is probably one of the things that when someone starts a business, that could be the least thing that they think about. Sure, you have a product and a service that you want to provide to your customers or your clients, and you're good at it, and you know how to market it, and you know how to do everything else. But what goes by the wayside is accounting. Now, accounting is not a sexy subject, especially when you start your business. But accounting is needed because accurate accounting can prevent a lot of problems with the IRS and taxes. So you don't want to forget about your accounting, but you definitely want to give it some thought because having accurate books says a lot about your business. Now, you don't necessarily have to be an accountant to understand accounting and why it's important, but having someone who is a qualified or certified accountant in your business can go a long way in ensuring that all of your taxes are properly prepared. All of your legal ramifications of the business has been taken care of. But also, just as important, is knowing how your business has performed financially. And from my experiences working as a bookkeeper before, this is a topic that always seems to be problematic, especially when I used to do tax returns. When I used to do tax returns for business owners, Schedule Cs, a lot of the numbers that was reported to the IRS were either estimated numbers or made up numbers, and there was no factual content behind those numbers. So if you do your taxes that way, eventually that's going to catch up with you, because at some point you may get audited. At some point you will get audited. And what the IRS is primarily looking for is backup to what was presented. And if you don't have any backup, being able to prove exactly what was reported, then that could cause problems. So I'd like to go out there, especially when I talk about new business owners, and the videos that I do definitely talk about business ownership. But it's one thing that I always say to small business owners is you don't want to exclude accounting. You want to have accurate books in your business because it goes a long way. May not be something that you want to do, but it's something that you have to do. And it should be taken seriously because the lack of accounting could lead to so many problems down the road. And I feel as though it is my job and my responsibility to remind business owners of that, because when you go into business, there's a whole lot of things that you have to do in your business. There is a such word as outsourcing, where you can outsource certain responsibilities, and accounting could definitely be something that you outsource to a qualified accountant that can prepare your books accurately and efficiently and prepare your taxes accurately and efficiently. So at tax time, you shouldn't necessarily be stressing and worrying about your taxes, you should have everything in place via an accurate accounting system to where you're reporting accurate information and you're also planning for taxes as the year ends. So on my other channel, which I provide the links for in the description section, I talk a whole lot about bookkeeping and managing your books. So you please feel free to check out those videos on my other channel just to give you an idea of what it is you should be doing. But I just want to take this time out to say, yeah, it's great that you started your business, but don't forget about your accounting. So that's all I have to say in this video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and I will be producing more content later. So thank you for your time and attention, and I will talk to you in the next video.